Go as far as we're good to ignore what's around. Ignore all expectations, even though we should.
Hi guys! Good evening po dito sa England. It's, I think it's 1950 Friday night po ngayon sa England. So, this is your Global Babe, Jheng Gabriel. Once again, we will be unboxing. If you can see, I've got this parcel today. Alright. So, let's see what's inside the box. Okay? Pasensya na po kayo. Andito ako ngayon sa spare room. So, we'll turn on the candlelight. And para, candlelight. Para maganda. Okay. Bear with me a moment, so let's open this. It came in today while I was at work. So, hang on lang po wait. Wait lang po. Ayan. So, it came in today while I was working. So, let's see. Actually, nabuksan ko na kanina. And, I'll just quickly show you what's inside. So, there you go. This is my recibo. I'm not gonna show you because I have my address in there. And you ready? You all ready? There you go. Charan! So this is, guess what? This is the new iPhone. This is the 11. Oh no, not 11 Pro, because I have the 11 Pro, which is I'm using actually today to vlog. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro that's newly out. So I pre-ordered this a few weeks ago when Apple launches them, and as soon as it came to the UK, I ordered one. Okay, so let's see. Take off the sleeve. Sobrang payat siya comparing to the boxes of the old iPhones. It's payat siya. So that's the new box. Lapit daw tayo. So yan yung new box niya. There's the Apple logo also there. And para siyang 3D. So I'm so excited. Because I have been waiting for this. So there you go. So there's the iPhone, and I ordered Pacific Blue. And there you go. They said it looks like iPhone 5, but I do have an iPhone 5 which is there. It doesn't actually. So it's just, you know, the iPhone 11 Pro, which the one that I'm using to vlog, is rounder the edges than this one. So, if you see, ang ganda niya. I like it. Hindi ako nagsisisi na binili ko siya. But still have a triple camera. It's the same as the iPhone 11 Pro. So, I don't know the difference on... I think the night is where they differ. So, we'll try that later on. And this is... What is this? So this is to... And it doesn't come in with a female plug, but it does come in with this, the USB, because they are now MagSafe. So it's MagSafe na adapted. So you have to buy the MagSafe separately. They said because they want to reduce carbon footprint. So there you go. And what's in here? The usual thing. So in this box, it has your pin to put your SIM card in. Let's put that back. And also it has your warranty or instruction on how to use it, or before using iPhones, blah 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 blah, safety and handling, exposure to radio frequency, battery and charging, and of course it has the iconic Apple logo there. We'll put that in later on, and that's about it, guys. There's nothing in the box anymore. So it doesn't come with earphones. It doesn't come with a complete charger. It only comes with a with a sticker and a bit of instructions. And with a USB lead, you have to buy the MagSafe power plug. And it doesn't come with, again, the earphones. And I haven't bought those, so I don't know how will I charge this. And there you go. I'm so in love with the color. The color is really good. Because I have the green. I think I have the green one for the 11 Pro. And I have Pacific Blue for iPhone 12 Pro. Ayan. So this, gusto ko yung kulay. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. We'll turn it on. So I'm assuming still the same process of turning on. I think you have to. There you go. So you press this side together with that side and it will turn on. It's turning on. We'll see. Hola! Hello! It says hello. So the size is perfect for me. I don't like big phones. I don't like the Pro and the bigger iPhones. So there you go. It's a perfect size for me, and we will try and set it up. And of course, it says hello. Swipe to open, and we'll set it to English. So it's all the same. And put my country. So yeah, there you go, guys. I have to change phones for vlogging. So I'm using the Samsung Galaxy Chuba Chuchu. I don't know if it's even Galaxy. Now, so if you can see, I'll show you the difference of iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro. So this is iPhone 11 Pro. So I got it in green. And this is your iPhone 12 Pro. So they have the same camera. There you go. But I think the iPhone 12 is a little bit bigger than the 11 Pro. So if you can see, this is all round. It's all round at the edges, but the 12 Pro, it's more squarey type. You see. And now we are going to try, and there's my SIM card. I'm gonna put a SIM card in it inside. So guys, I just finished setting up my face, wherein you have to do that. Crazy. And then now you have passcode. Usual. You put your passcode. Ang cute niya. I like it. You see? So as I said, guys, there's a difference of them. So this is rounder. This is the 11 Pro. And this is the 12 Pro. The 11 Pro is rounder. at the edge. And this is more squarey. Okay. And also, this is shorter than this one. There you go, guys. It's transferring data na. And we'll update you later. About 8 minutes, it says. Malapit na siya after 8 years. Malapit na rin. 1 minute na lang after 8 years. So, diba? App library ang tawag. Hindi pala Apple library. App library. So, there you go. There's our new iPhone 12 Pro. And it's really beautiful. And the MagSafe charger and MagSafe case is not yet available. So you can order it, but unfortunately the delivery will take midweek of November. So we'll see by then kung what it is. But I can use the old charger for iPhone. So we'll try it. And it works. So if you have the charger of your 11 Pro or anything old, like from 5, things like that, you can use that. Actually, you don't necessarily need to buy a MagSafe charger. So you can use the old ones to charge your new iPhone 11 Pro. And also you can use your AirPods. So I'm gonna take it off from my case. It has a case. So that's the one that I'm using for my 11 Pro. You can use it, pair it with your new iPhone 11 or 12 Pro. So there you go, guys. And that's our new phone, and we're still gonna use this. So I'm gonna be so excited using them both. And that's all from me now, mga bebe loves. I will enjoy my new phone, and I hope you do as well if you buy. So tignan nyo, pati yung picture ko napunta talaga dun. But I'm gonna delete a lot of photos here. So I hope if you buy it and you will like it as well. For me, I am Apple product lover, so I love it and I like it. So this is 128 gig, yung lowest, the lowest one. That's what I got, because this is the lowest one as well for 11 Pro, and I don't even use a lot, so it's like I only use half of this. And to know that I am vlogging, saving videos here, and I'm using iMovie for my editing app. So there you go, guys. It's up to you if you want the Pro Max or just the Pro. But for me, I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied with the Pro. Bye bye, mga bebe loves, until next, and see you on my next vlog again. Love to all of you, mga global bebe family.